Woodbury, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Universal Destinations and Experiences. On behalf of our entire organization, it is my honor to welcome you to Universal Epic Universe. This moment marks a significant milestone in our company's journey to redefine the theme park experience for our global audience and for generations of families to come. It would not have been possible without the vision and support of our corporate leadership at Comcast NBC Universal, our colleagues at Universal Pictures, DreamWorks, as well as our partners at Nintendo, Warner Brothers Discovery, the Lowe's Corporation, and state and local officials. What you have seen, felt, and experienced tonight is the product of the immense creative talent, technical prowess, and operational excellence of all of our incredibly dedicated teams at Universal Destinations and Experiences. To all involved, I want to extend our heartfelt gratitude. Now it is my pleasure to introduce my good friend and our creative consultant, Steven Spielberg.
Mark, thank you. In each of us lies the desire to explore new worlds in search of adventure, joy, discovery, and even to face our fears. Through amazing stories and unforgettable characters, we are introduced to these incredible worlds we only dare imagine, and in the process, we discover the hero in ourselves. Universal Epic Universe has brought those worlds to life. All the sights, sounds, and feelings you've come to love in a way that can only be described as epic.
joining us. This memorable evening would not have been complete without you. We hope that the memories of tonight's celebration will stay with you until your next epic adventure.